Now let's look at how we can solve this problem. If 132n equals to 30 base 10, this is base n, calculate the value of n. So here we go. Let's quickly solve the problem here together. So we express it as usual. We are going to have 1 times n raised to power 2 plus 3 times n raised to power 1 plus 2 times n raised to power 0 equals to 30. This one here will give you n raised to power 2 plus this one here will give you 3n plus anything raised to power 0 is 1. You are going to have 2 in this place equals to 30. So the next thing is n square plus 3n then plus 2. Bring this one here, we give you minus 30 equals to 0. So what are you going to do next? N square plus 3n, subtract this, minus 28 equals to 0. Now you look for the sum of this one here and the product of this one here. So what is that number that when you look for the sum, it will give you plus 3, and when you look for the product, it will give you minus 28? So I'm thinking of 4 and what? And 4 and 7. 7 times 4 will give you 28, right? So how can you go about this? That is, we are going to say that 7 minus 4. Let's find out. If you say 7 minus 4, this is plus 7 minus 4. What will happen? It will give you plus 3. Fine, we have plus 3 in this place. But minus 7 times minus 4, what will it give you? That will give you minus 28. So we go with this one here. So now we are going to have n squared followed by plus 7n minus 4n, as you can see, minus 28 equals to what? Equals to 0. So what is common to the two of them in this place? I guess n is common. N into bracket n followed by plus 7, close the bracket. In this place, this one is minus, this one is minus. So if that should be the case, there will be one minus outside. So what could that be? That would be 4, then into bracket n plus 7 again equals to what? Equals to 0. This times this will give you this, and I'm very sure this times this will give you this one here. So the next thing you are going to have in this place, we are factorized already. So this and this will give you n minus 4, close the bracket, one of this one, n plus 7, close bracket, equals to what? Equals to 0. Now bring them close. N minus 4 equals to 0, or n plus 7 equals to 0. Bring this here, you are going to have n equals to plus 4, or n equals to what? Minus 7. That is exactly where we are going. Now, as a matter of fact, since the value of this one is negative, so n cannot be negative. So finally, we are going to have n equals to what? N equals to 4 as our final answer.